Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. As you know, inter second year science practicals are going on from 3rd Feb to 22nd Feb. Students have doubt that how the practical exam will be conducted. So practical exams will happen in 4 of the science subjects: physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. If you are an MPC student, then your physics and chemistry practical will take place. But if you are a BIPC student, then you'll have practical in physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology. For every college, any 2 days from 3rd Feb to 22nd Feb are allotted for the practical exam. So, your hall ticket is very important, students. On the day of the exam, you are called by your hall ticket number. They'll call you by your last 4-digit number. They won't call you by your name. As you enter the lab, you will find one external lecturer over there who's conducting these practical exams. He or she will ask you to place the record in a certain place. Then you have to hand over your hall ticket to your examiner. Then a question paper will be given to you. On that question paper, one specific question will be there per student. So every student gets a different question for their practical experiment, and you will also get your answer booklet in which you have to solve your question. So as you do your experiment right, you find your aim, apparatus, formula, table, and finally you get the result. Then you have to give your paper to the examiner. The examiner will correct your paper and then he or she will ask you Viva questions. For the Viva, questions can be asked from the experiment which you have conducted just now, or else the examiner might ask you questions regarding your inter second year syllabus, that is your short questions and very short questions. So these practical exams will be conducted under CCTV surveillance so that no malpractice takes place. So just make sure that all your practical records are corrected and stamped by the college so that on the day of the exam you don't face any problem. So just be nice to your teachers, students, respect them and do as they say. So talking about the record submission, if you haven't submitted the record, then try to submit it at the earliest because there is no fixed date for the record submission. You can submit it, but try to submit it at the earliest. In every college, the science faculties will allot a date on which you have to submit. Try to follow and submit on that specific date only so that you be in the good books of your faculties. So you don't have to worry at all for the practical exam. You just have to prepare nicely. Be confident and make sure you attend the practical exam, because if any student doesn't attend the exam, then definitely they will fail. And if they fail, they have to attend this practical exam during supplementary exams. See, now the practical exams are in your college, so it's feasible for you. But if you don't attend and you have to write it during supplementaries, then at that time the practical exam won't be conducted in your college. You have to go to some other far away college and there you have to write your practical exam. So it would be difficult for you to manage that. So better attend this practical only, that is being conducted in your own college. So don't worry students, the exam will be very easy. You just have to be confident, prepare well and maintain your records. Already in many colleges, students have paid to get passed in practicals. Money has been collected from students in the name of lab fees. So definitely they'll pass you in practicals. All the best students.